BBQPitBoys.com. All right, man. Hey, you got to check this out. They just sent us a box of Pit Boys stuff that we're going to start selling by popular demand. A lot of you know we've been here for, I don't know, almost 13 years, and we sell some things online, like our old Hick, right? That's pretty popular. Our SPG, and but here's some things that we're gonna start selling retail. And let me show you these here. Oh man! So here's a couple things. Like we got a Thermo Pro pen here, and let me say this first before anybody gets ticked off. These guys are sent this to us, Thermo Pro, and this is one of the temp thermometers, right? It's like a chef thermometer, quick read. It's really cool. It's a single probe thermometer. It's perfect, practical, easy to use. Yeah, and I'm going to endorse it, right? As you can imagine, we get a lot of these sent to us from distributors and manufacturers all over the world. We happen to like the Thermo Pro. Works really fine, very cool. A nice digital readout. You can see during the light of the day, which is kind of important. It's got an auto shut off, and you simply turn it on and off just like that, right? And if you forget to shut it off and lay it down, it'll shut off automatically. Fantastic. Sometimes simple is better, right? To heck with 8 probes. One will do you. Anyway, that's the endorsed one we got, and we have to say that per FTC, right? You know, yeah, they sent it to us, but it's a great product. Now, here are some things that we just recently got sent to us, and these are some objects, unfortunately, or things that you're only going to be able to get in Australia, Aldi. And so we're starting to sell a few things. We're going to try in Aldi, Australia first, then maybe eventually we'll go worldwide with it. And these are BBQ gloves. We've gone through a lot of gloves. You remember those silicone gloves years ago? Or they're still, I mean, absolutely ridiculous, still burn you, as we found out, especially because the silicone kind of sticks to your skin. So when it finally does start heating up, whatever you're handling, it's almost impossible to get that silicone glove off. It sticks, and ultimately you burn yourself. What the hell is that? So these gloves here that we had designed for us are much better, right? You can handle hot objects for a good long time. It's kind of a cloth based, so we're going to be selling these, but you have to go to Australia, Aldi first, right? They'll have them there for a limited time, and then maybe we'll be able to distribute these worldwide, like I said. So check out these gloves, and let me see. A couple other things that are going to be sold at Aldi's. They just started. This here is your non-stick plastic mat, right? It's a hot plate kind of thing. You've seen them sold on TV. Actually, they work pretty damn good if you need them. They just open them up, roll them out, put them on the grill, and it's good for doing veggies on, that kind of stuff. Anyway, again, only at Aldi's Australia. If you've got some Pit Boy friends down in Australia, maybe they could pick one up to you and mail it to you. You know, a lot of our Pit Boys will do that. They'll send each other spices and ideas and, you know, that kind of stuff. So maybe one of our Aldi Pit Boys will hook you up, all right? And there are a few other things here. Let me show you. We're going to be selling a barbecue spatula and tong set. Again, Pit Boys, man, and you got to check those out. Again, at Aldi's Australia for a short period of time. And let me see what else we got in here. There's some stuff in here. Here's a barbecue grill brush, standard steam brush. Fill it with water. And then, of course, the steam action is you're scraping your grate will clean the grill. It's not bad, all right? We got the Pit Boys name on it, all right? It's a good stocking stuffer, whatever, for yourself or your man, right? You need something for your old man, right? And let me see. There's other things in here in this box. Oh, we've got license plates. These sold online right now, and it's the frame and the plate itself. It'll look good on your ride, on your truck, whatever you got going. Right? Or put it on your refrigerator, right? Tape it to you, and you know, wherever you want to go, right? Simple, easy, and relatively inexpensive. All right, here's another Aldi. Another Aldi only. Let me see if I can find here if we got. Cool. Anyway, it's barbecue apron with a bottle opener, and it's pretty trick, right? You gotta have a bottle opener if you're the pit master, right? It's gotta be handy. So this is a really good quality. We got the Pit Boys on it. If you want to give us a shout out. Now, here you go. I'm not sure if you can see this well, but it's pretty good quality. It's got several pouches on the front, and it's really cool, right? And of course, you can strap some tools to it, and of course, it comes with your bottle opener, right? Cool enough, man. I'll tell you what. Another stocking stuffer with the holidays coming up. Check it out. Aldi's Australia. Take a flight over there, man. Pick up a few, man. Make great gifts, and eventually, maybe it'll come to the USA or whatever. All right. So let's see. Get that over here, and all right. This comes to us from Finland. We've got a company in Finland that's making these are smoker bags. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but they're pretty trick. When you gotta have a little smoke flavor, but it's 8 foot of snow outside, which can happen, right? And so what you can do is you got this aluminum pouch bag here, and it's called a smoke bag. Again, made in Finland, and all you do is insert whatever kind of meat in there you want. You could put a rack of ribs in there. You could put some pork chops, you know, and just stuff them in there. You wrap it, go through the directions. You can put it in your household oven. Now, it doesn't smoke because it's impregnated with oils, right? And it's all natural. Everything is natural about this. So you could throw it in your household oven. The house will take on a slight smoky smell, but if you're a pit master or into barbecue grilling, it'll smell just great. And it dissipates pretty quick. Again, no smoke will come out of it, just some of the fragrances will get right inside the meat. And these, again, all these, Australia, and hopefully worldwide, all right? And so that's pretty cool. And, oh yeah, of course. We got some Bobby Fame dolls. There's a few of these left. You might find them online. I don't know, but you just, the Bobby Fame bobblehead works really good. It goes good on your dining room table, you know, just to show your allegiance to the BBQ Pit Boys. Again, there's a few of these. That's the Bobby Fame bobble. I guess I'm Bobby Fame, right? And I do bobble my head. Of course, online we do sell some koozies, right? You gotta have a beer koozie. So we got some Pit Boys. Again, of course, we got our hat. Again, you'll find this online, and typical, you know, baseball cap style, BBQ Pit Boys for life on the back. So check these out. Again, makes a great gift or something for yourself. And of course, you guys know we do sell T-shirts. We've been selling for years. It's helped supporting the Pit Boys chapters all around the world. We've got 17,000 Pit Boys chapters in over 100 countries, right? It's pretty trick. And the proceeds we make here and some of the profits go help us manage all these chapters and get everybody together, that kind of stuff. So again, your T-shirt, Pit Masters, they're pretty cool. They come in all sizes and that kind of thing. Now, what else have we got in here? Of course, it's the holiday. We've got SPG. We sell a lot of these. We send them around the world. So you got it. You know, if you're looking for that perfect spice, SPG is what you'll need. Now, I know most of you come each week to see our recipe videos, barbecue and grilling. We almost have 800 now, right? And you got to check us out if you've never watched this before. But we decided through popular demand to reach out to you guys a little bit and show you the kind of things that companies send to us. Like I said, distributors send to us. We want to show them to you, check them out, give us our opinion. These here are mostly our products, and we're proud of them, and we really appreciate your support. And any way you can help us, and sometimes it's you know, buying one of our gear or whatever, our hat or old hickory knife, that kind of stuff. And we're going to do more of these, all right? So you can check it out. So the next time you're looking for a recipe or maybe a review on barbecue and grilling, check us out. BBQ Pit Boys for life.